Hello, everybody. This is Kostas Albanidis, and that's another video about another amazing tool to create your videos and showcase your products and your services. This is called Avatar Builder. It has everything you need to create amazing videos with avatars as a cartoon, as you can see. It's you know very interesting to create something like that, and I'm gonna show you right away a video that I'm gonna create about promoting a particular opportunity. Okay, the opportunity is gonna be, let me tell you that it's this one. It's the one that it helps you to get traffic to any offer, and to affiliate link, or even to your videos, or even to anything you want to drive traffic to. Let me show you. I'm gonna just get the you see, I asked here AI to create for me. Let me show you, because I have asked the AI to create for me the context. I have the context ready, so I'm gonna just create. I'm gonna select one of those templates. You see, I have a big variety. I can select anything I want. I have even a very nice way to promote and showcase an application or a website, you see here, and create longer videos. But I'm gonna go with this one, or maybe I can go with the one that I have selected already, so that you can see what I have created here. You see, it's gonna be drop shadow, the caption, and here I'm gonna click next. Here I'm gonna have to select one of those avatars. Let's choose let's choose Das over here. I can select anything that I want, but because we are talking about traffic, I would prefer to select Das over here. Here I'm gonna just have to paste the context, and I have to select one of the voiceovers. Okay, I could easily, if I want, I can read the text and just copy my voice and add it to this video. I can select a music over here. I can select wave sync, let's say here. You see, that's gonna be a background music, so I don't need to have it very loud. Let me just put some sound to be able to listen to that. Okay, that's better. I can have the music playing, and I can test the voices. Let's try Henry. Let's try Henry to see how it sounds. Okay, it's
Are you struggling to get quality traffic to your website or online business? You're not alone. But what if there was a simple way to generate consistent traffic without all the hassle? Introducing MDA Traffic, the ultimate solution to...
Okay, this particular voiceover, as you can see, it goes more slow, but it's a good, and I would like to try it. I have already asked the AI to create the script, and ask to have all my sentences to be less than 100 characters, so that I have everything fixed over here and everything to look perfect. As you can see, I have all of my sentences in the best way. I can even change the font if I want over here. I'm gonna leave the pre-selected. That's a very nice way to use characters, even if you have let's say Greek characters, or you have some kind of characters that are not compatible with one of those fonts, you can change it and select something else. But you're gonna find almost all the main fonts over here to be able to use any kind of language. Let's go on and show you the rest of the procedure. Here I'm gonna just select the text color. I can choose the white over here, or just make it black. Okay. It depends on what kind of background you're gonna use. You notice that there are some other templates that it has fonts behind the it has a background behind the fonts, and that's better, so that we don't have to choose a particular background. But to this one, we have to choose just one color. Let's select the black here. I'm gonna select a logo. Let's select the logo over here. Okay, let me show you. I guess I have my logo ready here, but again I can select even from the Pixabay. Let's say here I can select traffic. Okay, click search, and I'm gonna have a lot of images. Okay, we have the safe search here. You see, I have a lot of pictures from with traffic. If I go back to my gallery, I'm gonna be able to see. Okay, I got the AI tool detective here. I can select it. The cursor pointer type, I can choose whatever I want. We move on over here. Because the background that I'm gonna select, I'm gonna have to try to make it to be mostly white, so that I'm gonna be able to see the text easily. Here I can customize my avatar. I'm not gonna choose anything else. I'm gonna just leave it like that. And here, as you can see, I got my avatar and I have no background. I can easily select background to each one of those scenes, but at the moment I'm gonna just select one of those that I found here. Let's find something with traffic. Okay, but it looks like we have to make it mostly with a white background to be able to see. You see, it looks really nice. And on the other hand, we can just leave it. Just let's try a white background, just to show you that what you can do with that. I'm gonna show you how easily you can add any background. You see, I'm gonna just select. I believe that the white over here it looks better, so that we can convey our message. So I'm not gonna put any background. I'm gonna leave it like that, or I can select even from the premium and try. Let's say white background. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's select something like that over here. Select. Just to show you that I can just say apply to all, so it's gonna add to all of the scenes the same background. Sorry for my from the sound of my voice, but it looks like I'm a little bit cold. I'm gonna be better tomorrow for sure. Let me show you now. We just click next, and now I just have to name my video. I'm gonna just write the name of this opportunity. I'm gonna show you over here. The name is MDA traffic. Okay. Just I want to show you how easy it is to create a video showcase video about this opportunity. I just create video, and you just leave it for some minutes to and it's gonna be ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you one of the other videos that I have already created. Sorry about that. Let me show you the click generator here.
Struggling to get traffic and generate sales? You're not alone. Many face the same challenge today. What if there was an effortless way to bring in clicks and grow your online business faster than ever?
You see that it's really amazing. It's really easy and very fast to create a very nice and professional video. I'm gonna show you even this one with.
Are you tired of working hard for little rewards? You need Helios, the revolution.
You see here, I used this one that it is typing, but there is no good fit with background, so it's not easy for somebody to read the context. So it's always better to select a color for your letter that it's gonna fit with and it's gonna make the contrast with your background. And as I said before, you can easily select one of those templates that you have the background and the letters with different colors, so you can you don't mind about what background you're gonna use, or video, because you can easily add any video. Okay, you can see that my video already started rendering in the background. I'm gonna just wait for a moment to show you the result. Okay, let me just pause just for a moment, because it's gonna need for sure about 1 minute more, and I don't want you just to spend your time waiting for that. Okay, everyone, the video is already here, and I'm gonna show you right away what we have already created, and just the amazing result. Let me show you.
Are you struggling to get quality traffic to your website or online business? You're not alone. But what if there was a simple way to generate consistent traffic without all the hassle? Introducing MDA Traffic, the ultimate solution to boost your website's.
I guess you agree that it was really easy and very, very fast to create a very nice promotional video. And imagine that to any niche, any kind of video you might want to create, any kind of product you want to create, to promote, and any kind of background or avatar that you can easily select and create your video. I'm gonna have the link of the avatar builder to my description, as many other AI tools that I use, and you can freely just click and have more information, find out what else this amazing platform can do. For sure, I'm gonna create more videos. I'm gonna show you this this amazing platform. I'm gonna show you all the abilities that you have to create very, very fast. Okay, that's the most important thing, that you save time and the result is really professional. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.